I love your price ranges.
Nice.
Yeah.
What does it say? What does it say?
It doesn't say anything. It just gives you like, like when you go look at a restaurant review.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's up, guys? This is Adele here from AL13 Architectural Systems. We're here today with Keith Borg and myself at Trade Show TV.
Trade Show TV.
We're showcasing some of the biggest businesses out in the industry right now. Let's go.
Let's go. So we're here with, what's your name, Bill? Bill.
Yeah.
Keith Borg from AL13. Trade Show TV. Tell us a bit about Pella Windows. I know that I've worked with them in the past, and they're amazing windows. Probably one of the best windows on the market, I think. Great wood windows. Tell us a little bit about
we're a
the
high-end,
company.
high-quality window, mainly a metal-clad wood window.
Yeah.
Do different wood species on the inside, maple, mahogany,
Fir.
Douglas
I've done fir, yeah.
Yeah, pine, metal-clad exterior, comes in 27 different colors.
Yeah.
Different hardware options and colors, satin nickels, oil rub bronze. We also do some vinyl windows and a fiberglass product.
Yeah, we've in the past we've done a metal outside wood in a house up at Shearwater in High Point in Kelowna.
Oh yeah,
Beautiful product.
Yeah.
Where are they made?
These are we have 10 plants across North America.
Wow.
But our metal clad wood is made in Pella, Iowa.
Oh, right.
So it's an American company out of Iowa.
Okay, and where can we find some more information? What website?
www.pella.com.
Okay,
Just very easy.
very easy. All right, we'll send you some product and
Thank you.
thank you.
Pella
that's
450.
what we used to buy as the designer series.
Very cool. I love it. Yeah. I love your price ranges.
Nice.
Yeah.
What does it say? What does it say?
It doesn't say anything. It just gives you like, like when you go look at a restaurant review.
High-end.
Yeah.
The
can
woods
tell.
are always expensive, right? Because they need to be stable.
Yeah, big time.
Like they, so
gotta be
they have
treated
to
and-
be kiln dried.
Yeah.
And, like you can tell, they use I can't
It's an
remember
old
what they
school
call
method,
that.
like the locking.
Also call that.
Thank you. All right. Take care. See you later.
See you, Bill.
Appreciate it, Bill.
Bye-bye now.